Welcome. In this video, we'll be discussing ChatGPT, a powerful language model developed by OpenAI. But first, let's set the stage with a little story. Imagine you're sitting at your desk, trying to come up with the perfect opening line for a novel that you're writing. You're staring at a blank page, feeling the pressure to get started, when suddenly your computer beeps. You look over and you see that you have a new message from ChatGPT. Need help with your writing? It asks. You're a little hesitant, but then you think, why not give it a try? You type out your question and ChatGPT responds with a few different options for opening lines. You read them over, choose your favorite, and boom, just like that, you're off and running on your new novel. That's the power of ChatGPT. This amazing language model developed by OpenAI uses advanced machine learning algorithms to understand and generate human-like text. You can use it to ask it questions, get information, or even just have a conversation on a wide range of topics. So how does ChatGPT work? Well, it's based on a type of artificial intelligence called a language model. These models are trained on vast amounts of text data, allowing them to learn the patterns and structures of human language. This allows ChatGPT to generate text and sounds natural, just like a human, even on topics it has never seen before. Some possible uses for ChatGPT include brainstorming and idea generation. You can use it for research and information gathering. ChatGPT can be a useful tool for gathering information on a wide range of topics, whether you're working on a school project, conducting research for work, or just looking to learn something new. It can be fun and engaging tool for having a conversation or just passing the time. Now, currently, at the time of recording this video, ChatGPT is totally free. I told ChatGPT to create me a persuasive article on the benefits of using marijuana. After it did so, within seconds, I then told it to rewrite it using errors. It gave me back a list of errors, and after that, I told it to write it from a 10th grade perspective using Ebonics or Black vernacular. I was super shocked. It spit me back out the same paper with changes within seconds. This is an incredibly powerful tool. I had it write a song and several different poems. I mean, there's so many different things you can do with ChatGPT. Despite its impressive abilities, it has its limitations. It is not a physical robot. It is just a digital tool that you can access. And while it can generate human-like text, it's important to remember that it is not a human and may not always understand the nuances and subtleties of our language. The best part is that ChatGPT is always improving, and it continues to be trained on more data and fine-tuned by its developers. Its abilities will continue to grow and evolve. This means that ChatGPT has the potential to become even more powerful and useful in the future. So if you're looking for a new tool to help you with your creative projects, be sure to check out ChatGPT. You will not be disappointed. If you found any of this helpful, please give me a like, turn the notification icon bell on, and subscribe. Thank you.